Mercedes-Benz has long believed that the best way to survive an accident is to avoid one. Rear-end collisions are one of the more common types of accident, and one that might be avoided with the help of an advanced new system called Collision Prevention Assist. Anytime you're driving over 20 miles per hour, Collision Prevention Assist is comparing your speed to vehicles or objects ahead. Using radar, it can sense when a possible collision is likely. It can also detect stationary objects when you're driving up to 45 miles per hour. As soon as the system detects an insufficient safety buffer, a visual warning illuminates. If the distance is decreasing rapidly enough, a warning chime sounds. This alerts the driver to initiate braking. As soon as you step on the brakes, the system's adaptive brake assist precisely applies the optimum braking force automatically. Should the vehicle ahead brake harder or start to pull away, the brake force is instantly adjusted. By braking only as much as necessary to avoid the collision and activating the brake lamps, drivers behind you also have more time to react. And if it appears you cannot avoid the collision, the system engages the features of pre-safe to help prepare the occupants. With Collision Prevention Assist, Mercedes-Benz once again shows that the future of driving safety is often right in front of you.